Hello everyone, I'm Junyu from UT Austin. Today I'm going to present our paper LiteWebAgent, the open source suite for VOM-based web agent applications. Recent advancements in large language models and vision language models have revolutionized a web browser automation. Web agents traditionally operate by passing website structure, using DOM elements, HTML, content, and accessibility trees to enable LLM-based action generation and grounding. Recent advances have enhanced web agents by incorporating visual processing through visual language models and sets of mocks, improving both action generation accuracy and grounding precision. The current landscape has certain limitations. For the research-oriented target, it lacks easy deployment and polished UI, and for the commercial or closed source products, it lacks flexibility and transparency. So the key contributions of LiteWebAgent lies in three faults. Firstly, we propose an extensible web agent framework that intercouples action generation from action grounding. Secondly, we have advanced research integration. And thirdly, there are two types of deployed systems. The first one is a production-ready versus-based web application that provides users with an agent-controlled remote browser. And the second is a Chrome extension that leverages that web agent's API to control an existing Chrome browser via the Chrome Developed Tools protocol. We present the design of the web agent framework implemented in the open source repository LiteWebAgent in the following figure. Specifically, the framework decouples action generation from action grounding, supports multiple versions of agent planning, and integrates agent memory into the planning process. So at time t, given the trajectory of rewards and actions, our agent generates the next action, AT, in natural language by consider the initial plan prompt x0. The example pool could be type dining tables in the search box. And then, if we execute the action grounding process, it has the accessible tree, document object model, and screenshots. In this step, we have the observation at time t, denoted by this OT. So based on the action AT and observation OT, regenerate executable code at time t. So example could be few 1 for 4 dining table. And then we proceed to the action execution process. It could be the remote browser, the Chrome Developed Tools protocol, or Chromium. And the example could be dining table typed in the search box. Then when the action is executed, we go to the next round. We generate the plan for the next round. The LiteWebAgent system provides a high-level overview of our implemented systems. The front end includes a chat interface for user interaction and a browser interface that displays the web agent performing actions in the browser environment. Using the configuration panel in the user interface, users can set system parameters and send instructions to the back end via the chat interface. Our system supports three types of browser environments. Firstly, initializing a new Chromium browser. Secondly, controlling an existing Chrome browser via the Chrome Developer Tools protocol. And thirdly, connecting to remote browsers. The backend handles first initializing and connecting to the browser environment. Secondly, setting up the web agent. And thirdly, processing user instructions through action generation and grounding steps to produce executable playwright recorder code. This code is then executed in the browser environment, while the interface provides real-time visualization of agent actions. And for the Chrome extension, we control the local browser via CDP, and it has enhanced privacy and personalized browser sessions and intuitive user interface. It integrated directly within browser environment. And we have the live demo and also the GitHub website. And in what follows, I will show you the demo of our LiteWebAgent.
So this is the WebAgent demo, and basically we can enter a starting URL. Let's use Google, for example, and then we'll start it. And then basically we communicate with the agent via a chat interface, so we can type in a command like search dining table, or we can also just use the speech text and be like, put dog food in my cart on Amazon. And then we can just run it.
Starting setup.
And then
Storage state loaded.
So yeah, and then basically it will run all the commands. It provides
Agent setup complete. Processing next step. Executing one actions. Executing navigation.
Yeah, so basically it will run those steps one by one until it completes the goals, and I want to speed up the rest of stuff so that you're able to see the full result. And then we'll just stop at this place to just kind of reset the session to just show you the speaker as well. He's able to clean up the browser-based session and WebAgent session and close it completely. And yeah, that's the demo basically. Thank you for watching.
All right, so for the conclusion, our LiteWebAgent provides accessible, flexible, and extensible framework for web agent research and production use. It bridges critical gap in current web agent ecosystem. In the future, our objectives include, firstly, extending the demo to build the first production-ready web agent with a tree search demo with a user-friendly interface and intuitive visualization. Secondly, integrating that web agent into multi-agent framework to enable multi-agent frameworks with web browsing capabilities. Thirdly, add in an evaluation module including new metrics to more comprehensively evaluate web agent performance. Thank you, that's all.